2. Everybody is pretty much asleep, except this one. Yeah. Today is laundry day. I gotta finish, I think, 2.5 weeks worth of laundry. That's how long we've been sick. Ugh. Anyway, let's go pick out a book before I forget so that I can read in between the loads. Yeah. I've been wanting to finish this book here. So, we're probably gonna start on this one from the beginning. Message to Bugman. Let's do it. We're gonna try to make pancakes with oats. Grind this up.
Another great feature of the looking this way, and right behind it you have this. Facing the door right now.
It's 8:34 p.m. right now, and we're ending it here. Today has been kind of weird. Yeah, our schedule was kind of delayed. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish editing the vlog and have that.
I'm going to see my mom. Mine and go up to this.
You guys tuned in for the first vlog. Thank you. Hope you guys enjoy. Good night. Peace, family.
Peace for me.
Say peace.
Peace.
Say peace.
Peace, peace, peace.
Okay, all done, Fafa.